Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Rita, and in today's video I'll be showing you the 10 most common symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. So keep watching. The first is bone pain. Vitamin D helps in the absorption of calcium, and this is meant for the development of strong bone. Now, when vitamin D is deficient, osteomalacia in adults occurs. This is what is called bone pain. The common sites for bone pain are the lower spine, the pelvis, the leg, and the feet. The second is muscle pain. When vitamin D is deficient, muscle hypersensitivity occurs. Now, muscle pain is felt superficially, unlike the bone pain, which is deep. The bone pain is a deep, penetrating, and dull pain. Number 3 is fatigue. Studies have shown that low blood levels of vitamin D, levels lower than 20 nanogram per ml, is associated with fatigue. Have you been feeling very tired? Easy fatigability? Do well to check your vitamin D levels. Number 4 is low moods. Areas of the brain associated with mood have abundant vitamin D receptors. So low levels of vitamin D therefore can significantly affect the brain cells, leading to depressed moods. What are the common symptoms and signs of depressed mood? Loss of interest in what was formerly interesting to you, a feeling of worthlessness, diminished ability to concentrate and make proper decisions, and suicidal thoughts. These are all common symptoms of depressed mood. Number 5, sleep disorders. Areas in the brain responsible for sleep have vitamin D receptors. So, when there's vitamin D deficiency, these areas get a very little amount of vitamin D and poor sleep results. 6, hair loss. Vitamin D plays a role in stimulating new and old hair follicles. Hair growth can be stunted in the presence of vitamin D deficiency. And vitamin D deficiency has been linked with alopecia. Number 7, impaired wound healing. Vitamin D plays a role in the regulation of the production of keratinocytes. These keratinocytes help in rebuilding the skin. Now, when vitamin D is deficient, wound healing is slow and is particularly noticed after surgery. Number 8, recurrent infection. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to weakened immune system. Thus, the body is predisposed to recurring bacterial infection and viral infection when vitamin D is deficient. Number 9, cardiovascular disease. One of the underestimated risk factors for cardiovascular diseases is vitamin D deficiency. According to studies, low levels of vitamin D has been associated with an increased risk of coronary artery disease, myocardial infarction, and heart failure. Number 10, cognitive impairment. The biologically active form of vitamin D has been shown to have some neuroprotective effects. Now, studies have shown that low levels of vitamin D is linked with the development of dementia and Alzheimer's disease, and adults that have severe form of vitamin D deficiency are 4 times more likely to develop cognitive impairment. Now, my recommendations. If you suspect you are having low levels of vitamin D, then go get a blood work to know your levels. Vitamin D deficiency can be fixed easily. Exposing yourself to more sunlight, would do a great deal. Also, having more foods which are rich in vitamin D would help to build your vitamin D levels so that you could get the benefits of vitamin D. Do well to check my previous video on vitamin D. The links are in the description box below and also on the screen. If you found this video helpful, do well to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more of this content. Thanks for watching.